Binance Simple Earn is like crypto saving account that pays you daily rewards. So this on Binance allows you to earn passively with flexible or fixed terms, no trading needed. Binance Simple Earn offers two main types of products. One is flexible product and the other one is fixed or locked products. Flexible products are for crypto that you might need anytime. That is emergency or trading funds. Liquidity is very high. You can withdraw instantly without penalties. You get lower returns in exchange for full flexibility. When it comes to locked or fixed terms, this is best for crypto you plan to hold for long term. That is 30, 60 or 90 days. Liquidity is really low because your funds are committed for the set term. When it comes to the returns are really high as a reward for the fixed commitment. When you choose to withdraw early, you might forfeit your accrued rewards. That is, if you fix your crypto on Simple Earn fixed for 90 days and you choose to withdraw before the 90 days, you might forfeit your accrued reward. Now, here is how to get started with Binance Simple Earn. Kwanza, if you don't have a Binance account, all you need to do is go to my profile, tap on the link there, then trace Binance, register yourself a Binance account and fill in your KYCs. And this is the only way you'll be able to deposit money and participate in Simple Earn for you to earn passive income on Binance. Once you have your account set, log into your Binance account, go to the Earn section or the wallet section on the application and select Simple Earn. Choose the crypto asset, that is BTC, BNB or USDT that you want to deposit. Select your preferred term, either flexible or locked. Click on subscribe next to your choice. Enter the amount that you want to transfer from your spot wallet and you're good to go. Turn on auto subscribe to automatically deposit idle funds daily. Review the final details, that is APR and the rules, and agree to the service agreement. Then click on confirm. Once you do this, your crypto is now working for you. You do not need to trade and you will be earning something from Binance Simple Earn every day. So if you don't have a Binance account and you would like to subscribe to Simple Earn, just go to my profile on my social media platforms, tap on the link there, then register yourself a Binance account. Fill in your KYCs, deposit money using P2P. I've done a video on how to do P2P in Kenya for you to deposit money on Binance through M-Pesa. And then you're good to go. Subscribe to Simple Earn and earn something every day. It's Moran. Follow for more.